Hey guys, it is the season for a perfect soft gingerbread cookie. Let me show you my version. It is amazingly good. Let's get started. In a bowl, I'm gonna add half a cup of vegetable shortening. To that, I'm gonna add a quarter cup of light brown sugar and a quarter cup of white sugar, and I mix. I mix for 1 minute and then I add 1 egg. And a half cup of dark molasses. And as always, I'm listing all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below. I mix until everything is well incorporated, and then I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. And here I have the flour, 3 cups of flour. To that I'm gonna add the baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of ginger, and I mix. We're gonna add the flour to the wet mixture and alternate with a little bit of water, a quarter cup of water, a little bit of the flour and a little bit of the water until everything is well incorporated. And the dough needs to be refrigerated before I can work on it. I'm gonna refrigerate it for 3 hours for me to be able to work on it easily. 3 hours later, I'm gonna flour my surface and I'm gonna roll the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. And traditionally we use the gingerbread cookie cutter, and you can use others, no problem. I'm gonna use some mini cookie cutters too. I arrange in a pan and not too close to each other because these cookies will spread a little bit, so I want to leave some space for them to be able to spread nicely. I'm gonna bake at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes or until the sides are firm to the touch. They're still gonna be soft when you remove them out of the oven, and they're gonna puff up a little bit, and that's how you expect them to be. The smell, the texture, and the taste of these cookies are amazing. 100% successful cookies. 1 tray was gone in less than an hour. You can enjoy these cookies as is, or you can add a little bit of powdered sugar on top, or you can be a little bit more fancy and do some royal icing. The choices are endless. I hope you give these cookies a try, and until next time, bon appétit!